it's So Hot Mommy, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm all about DIY fashion, DIY lifestyle, so if that's of interest to you, hit that subscribe button. Today's video is a pattern review, so let's get right to it. Okay, so normally I am filming from my basement where I have my sewing studio. I'm not saying I had a studio, but I am at the beach, and so I thought I would share the background with you so you can see my little slice of heaven. So this dress that I'm wearing is my latest make, and it's called the Hallon Dress by Paradise Patterns. Paradise Patterns. Love, love, love this. And I always say that about everything I make, but I do. This is a fantastic summer dress. As you can see, it's sleeveless. It has this beautiful neckline, but in the back, that's where the magic happens. It's got this sexy, dramatic drop in the back, and hopefully you can see it here. It's an easy sew. I don't want to say it's quite a beginner pattern because there are a couple of things that you have to do. There's the front, the back piece, the ruffle, and then 1, 2, 3 bias binding pieces for the neck, the armhole, and for the back. And the way you get the back to drop, it's 1 strip of bias binding, and then you measure it. They give you instructions on how to measure the depth. And so the longer that bias binding piece, the more dramatic the drop in the back. And so I kind of made mine like functional sexy, if that's a thing. You know, it was pretty and it's revealing, but I don't worry about anything being revealed in the back. And so once you determine the length of the bias, then you gather the back and attach the bias to that. In terms of fabric, this is a Cupro, and I got this as a gifted fabric in partnership with Zelouf. I hope I'm saying that right, and I apologize if I'm not. Fabrics. Instead of a challis, which can be kind of almost limp sometimes, and I love challis, I wanted something a little bit dressier in terms of weight, and so Cupro has a little bit more like body weight to it, so the ruffle sits a little fuller, the dress sits out just a little bit fuller, so it's kind of dressier. And also because it's a heavier fabric, the opacity even on this light color is 100%, which I love. You can make this dress as dressy or as casual as you want, and you can style it as dressy or casual as you want. You can see in the photos that I wore it with a pair of mules, heeled mules, that are potato knockoffs. But pretty much today I have been rocking around in these flat sandals. So absolutely love how this turned out. If you can see here in this video, you can see the flow of the fabric and the dress, and you can see that back that I was talking about. Like I said, it's kind of low-key sexy. You know, when you wear it in the front, I can eat anything I want to, but then when you turn it around in the back, it's like, bam. So, at any rate, highly recommend this pattern. It's again the Hallon Dress by Paradise Patterns, and it's an indie pattern company which I love supporting. So thank you for stopping by as always. Subscribe, hit that like button so others in the sewing community can see this review, and see you next time.